Namaste students. This is another video on course structure of class 9 for CBSE students, social science. Okay. So here also among the 4 units of social science, that is history, geography, political life, economics. In these 4 units you are going to study only 15 chapters. 15 chapters for your annual examination, and there are no such chapters which are given only for periodic test. It has not been mentioned anywhere. So for your periodic test as well as for annual examination, so which are the chapters deleted? So about all that I am going to give you the details. First let us see from history. In history, 3 chapters you should study for 20 marks. 3 chapters, 20 marks in history. The chapters are the French Revolution, Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. These are the 3 chapters you will study for annual examination. And geography. In geography, 5 chapters. 5 chapters for 20 marks. It is India, size and location, physical features of India, drainage, climate, natural vegetation and wildlife. And this drainage chapter is only for map items. Theoretical part has been deleted completely of drainage chapter. So drainage chapter only map items. That means for theory you will study 4 chapters in geography out of 5. 1 chapter only for map items. So 5 chapters, 20 marks. In political life, 4 chapters. 4 chapters, 20 marks. What is democracy? Why democracy? Constitutional design, electoral politics, working of institutions. These are the 4 chapters you will study for 20 marks for annual examination. Here you should note that this chapter, constitutional design, you are not going to study the entire chapter. You will not study entire chapter because one part of this constitutional design have been eliminated. That is democratic constitution in South Africa. Actually in this chapter, constitution prepared in South Africa and India both have been given, compared and contrasted. But this year you will study only constitution, democratic constitution of India. You are not going to study democratic constitution of South Africa. Don't study that part of constitutional design. And in economics, 3 chapters are there for 20 marks. Out of 4, 3 chapters are there. The story of village Palampur, people as a resource, poverty as a challenge. These are the 3 chapters you will study for annual examination. The story of village Palampur, people as resource, poverty as a challenge. And these are the chapters. 15 chapters. How many chapters you will study for exam? Annual exam? 15 chapter for 80 marks. Okay. Now let us have a look at deleted chapters. Deleted chapters in history, forest society and colonialism, pastoralists in the modern world. These 2 chapters have been deleted completely. Don't worry about these chapters at all. Political life, democratic constitution in South Africa. This is a part in constitutional design. It's a part of constitutional design chapter. So that you need not to study. And one more chapter, democratic rights. That chapter you need not to study. Economics, food security in India. So these chapters have been deleted completely. So now it is very easy for you to score out of 80 out of 80 in your annual examination in social science subject. So you like, share and subscribe for more videos, and the revised question papers, revision classes will be conducted in the next videos according to the requirements of the students. And this is the channel name, Social Science Vidya Bhavan. Social Science Vidya Bhavan. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you children. Have a nice day.